Afternoon, Joe's RV and Fishing Channel. I got one video up for y'all already. If y'all watched the channel, y'all know I've already been here before. Talked to somebody, the fish are supposed to be biting. I'm out here just running the boat a little bit, make sure everything's good, because this is a mighty big lake and I don't think my battery to stay charged long enough to get me across it. And I'm not paddling it. That's a workout, to be honest. So I'm just out here making sure everything's gonna be good, straight, before we cross it and get ourselves into something. So get ready for some more fishing videos. There's going to be a lot more of stuff going on. I'm going to try to give y'all some stuff to watch. Anyway, let's get over to the camper and see what we're going to get into. Make sure there's no traffic coming. I keep up with a lot of things. There was an incident out at Smith Lake, I believe. And that was just a bad incident. What is this here? Y'all, this lake is high, real high. Yep, that was a boat that caused that. Campground's mighty full. We in a different spot this go around. As y'all can see, there's the home away from home. Alright, y'all like, subscribe, share, comment. Get out and get it. Peace out. Love y'all.